We love an ingenious bedroom, and IKEA sure knows how to make them. From an industrial one to a calm and nature-inspired bedroom, here are 9 ingenious bedroom ideas from IKEA 2021 catalog. 1. Velvet Dreams. Bringing a glam vibe in every moment, in October IKEA will also launch a green velvet bed frame, which is a dream come true. It's stylish and versatile, and it goes great with glam deco elements, but also with industrial ones. And how about a cool floating shelf or nightstand? It sure saves space and it's super practical. 2. Artsy look. If you love art, this is the perfect bedroom idea for you, and it works also in tiny spaces. So make an art gallery around your bed, using strings and poles. Also, think of a calm color palette for this gorgeous space, using pastels and neutrals. 3. It's a boy bedroom and nursery. If you're planning to make a nursery, take in mind this idea. It's fun, practical and super calm. Use paper lamps, a cute hanger instead of a closet, and decorate the space with light furniture, plants, nature-inspired deco elements and cool mirrors. Of course, a wooden crib and the perfect rocking woven chair can't miss from this room. 4. Nature inspiration. Are you a big plant lover? Then, this idea is just perfect for you. Choose a plant shelf and add it just in front of your bed. You will feel like waking up in the middle of the nature. Mix these dreamy plants with nature-inspired deco elements and add a dreamy woven chair, and you will love this relaxing-looking room. 5. Print mix. Mix and match prints for a cool room that's perfect for teens or a cool accommodation or vacation home. Choose young and timeless prints like stripes, checks or plants for the wallpaper, sheets and small rugs, and you will love the fun result this room will have. 6. Teenage dreams. This room is just perfect for a teenager or a college student. So, add a cool metallic board on the back of a metallic bed and store on it all your small belongings, so that you can see them better and find them when you're in a rush. As for the style of this chic room, choose an industrial look and add bold colors around this space. 7. The tiny bedroom. If you're living in a one-room apartment or studio, add a room divider to separate your bed from the rest of your living room space. Choose light colors for this space to make it seem bigger, and also add mirrors to increase the illusion of space. 8. The simple life. The nature-inspired look is super popular for the bedroom, making it look pretty relaxing. So, make this space more cool with a dreamy wooden room divider, woven lamps and cool round mirrors with a woven frame. 9. Nature love. Choose a wooden-looking wallpaper, or a wooden wall next to your neutral bedroom. This way it will look even more relaxing. Emphasize on this calm look with a lot of paper lamps. That will make you feel like having your head in the clouds. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.